issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wright County, Hennepin County, northwestern Anoka County, Sherburne County, until 6:30 a.m. At 5:56 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Monticello, or near Buffalo, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Albertville around 6:05 a.m. Maple Grove, St. Michael, Otsego, Rogers, and Corcoran around 6:15 a.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Champlin, Brooklyn Park, Plymouth, and Anoka. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That's it.